Dongguan Yongjia Machinery Equipment Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional manufacturer dedicated to the R&D, production, sales, and service of high-frequency welding equipment. Our product range includes high-frequency welding machines, fully automatic PVC bag-making machines, blister packing machines, hot plate welding machines, and other customized large-scale welding solutions. Our core mission is to provide robust and innovative welding solutions that enhance your production efficiency and product quality. Strategically located in the heart of Dongguan, a key manufacturing hub in southern China, we benefit from a robust supply chain and efficient logistics, ensuring reliable delivery and competitive costs. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff are always available to discuss your requirements. We offer comprehensive pre-sales consultation, on-site installation guidance, and responsive after-sales support to ensure your complete satisfaction and operational continuity. Our commitment to quality and safety is demonstrated by our CE and ISO 9001 certifications. While our products sell well across China, they are also exported to clients worldwide, including North America, Europe, and Southeast Asia. We welcome both custom OEM and ODM orders, collaborating closely with you to meet specific application needs. Whether selecting a standard model from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for a custom project, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.